fine.
My thing goes slow.
Okay, let me see. Hi, this one. Let me find. Oh, that's mini project number 16. I'm working on it right now.
Oh wow, you're so good.
Well, I'm just trying to, because we have an exam on
Yeah.
this, and then I also have another exam on my other class next week. So
Oh, and it's
I have,
Thanksgiving next week, so
I
that's
know, and I'm in charge to do cooking because my in-laws, they're in their 80s, late 80s and mid 80s, and to step in and do the cooking. And my mother-in-law always complained, "Oh, I'm tired," even though she only did the cooking one part of the
uh-huh.
cooking, and the rest is my father-in-law and myself and my husband.
Oh,
So
and she
she's,
complained.
she's just like, "Okay, I'll do it."
Oh wow.
Last Thanksgiving, I did a lot of cooking and cleaning up. So anyway, so I don't know the first the question number the instruction number one. This is what I did.
Okay, so let's see.
So I put it. Where's the thing? Why it's not showing? So this is what I did. Only asked. Did I cross my? Oh, it's right there. It. I tried to do it without asking brother. So, um,
Health free
so,
man, I think.
uh-huh. So which flavor of ice cream is your favorite? So it only asks for the flavor of ice cream, and then at the bottom it says, also you do not need the details of the other category in the pivot table. So if you look at the data given, so if you look for the flavor, oops, right there, which flavor of ice cream is your favorite? And so this is the item line. And if I try to put this in,
Mm-hmm.
favorite flavor other, I it will not make sense here. Let's see if I do this. See,
Oh, I can't do that. I have it. I didn't try this. I didn't.
or if I do this here, it's not. See, it's getting a wrong thing, and it also asked for total total of the a percentage of the grand total. And if I
Mm-hmm.
do it the other way, it will not, like, if, what did I do? If I add the other one, the others, it's not letting me.
Oh.
See, if I do that, then I can do count. See, it's not counting it. So
Oh.
it's, I did that, and I did all the pushing, adding the other flavor. I don't know what's wrong I'm doing. So that's why I just didn't do this one. I didn't do that one because it's asked for favorite flavor. It didn't ask for addition. Uh,
Okay, let me see. It's so for this is for number one, right? Create a table that counts the number of responses to the question. I think
uh-huh.
we're counting the
It's the count of the response for those
yeah,
favorite
the count of
for
the
this
response.
for this this is the question, and under the question are the answer.
Mm-hmm.
And I think this is the other one. I'm not sure if this is, well, there's other data here that you never used anyway. They only ask the favorite, least favorite, and then which of the below flavor, which is from here, this all the way here. And so, and here it's another question, the least favorite, and it's under all its line.
Mm-hmm.
So on my understanding is that, well, because this says here, which of the flavor below, which one is that? This one. Oh, yeah, this one. Below. So below means this and all the way to other option here because it wasn't given as an option all the way down here.
Which of the below? Oh, I didn't even notice it said which of the below flavors. Oh, I see it. Which of the below
And
flavors?
then, yeah, if you click on the thing, because it's like overlapping. So this
Okay.
one is the least favorite. And this one, I don't know. I tried to figure out. Let me see if I can figure this one out, adding it in there. So that's my chart.
Okay. No, I haven't gotten to the charts yet. I'm making the tables. I did number 2 and number 3. I skipped the first
Uh-huh.
one
Mm-hmm.
and the rest of the stuff, but I'll get to those. Mm-hmm.
Because it's so if I do this, cannot overlap. Okay, fine. So favorite value. Hold on. Let's see. Value favorite. So it didn't do that. So the values are gonna be there. See. Calculation. And then what should I do with here? Favorite flavor. Another favorite. Well, let me. Won't do it. Let's see. Yeah, because it did. Yeah, I'm trying to figure that one out, and it just drives me crazy.
The number 1, yeah, me too. I'm working on that one now, and now I can't figure out how to do the percentage of the grand total for
this. You go
yeah.
on this one on the corner here. You select,
Mm-hmm.
and then you go over here, and you select the grand total.
Yeah. No, yeah. I know that I
Did
can
you put
do
it on
that.
this kind of setup?
No, No, because because I thought, so this is, I wish I could, here, I'll show you. I'll maybe you can see. Oh, that's my face.
Let me see.
So this one is the number one.
Uh-huh.
So I did the flavors right here, all that.
Uh-huh.
And then I just thought that the favorites would be the columns.
Well,
So
they
that's why
said,
I
yeah, they
but
said,
now,
show the flavors on the sides. So those
yeah,
are the flavor.
okay. But then the response, okay. Yeah, you're right. So then it would be the responses, not the favorite flavor. But then,
Mm-hmm.
let's see, which one?
And not the
Second
responses. It's just
favorite.
the count. And I tried to do as much as I could um to I did all the twisting around, and I was just like, why it's not working?
Yeah, I don't. Now I'm confused too. What is going on? Let's see. Values.
And then on the second one, create a table count question deflate. So the other one I did this. Yeah, on the
Okay, yeah,
side.
that's what I have. Yeah, that's what I
But
have for
the
mine.
second table I have, it also asks for the favorite. And I tried to put in this. It says the stories on the top and the flavors on the side. But you can't do the values if you see that goes on the other side. It's supposed to go here. Ooh, that is a mess.
Uh,
So I just did what I thought it would be better, or I thought it was at it's been asked of, and so this one I did
yeah.
this. Maybe I can different. Let's see if I can download a different. That's my husband and my son went mountain
Oh,
biking with my friend before on Friday,
okay.
and in what you call it in St. George, yes. Where is that project 16 lesson? That is mini project. Let me see. Let's see. Let me download something. No, not a quiz. My mini project 15. This one. So Excel. Let's see.
Okay, so I have my number one table, number two, number three. Just gotta work on number four.
So let's remove this one quickly. Um, so it asked for insert the table. Okay, so let's see. favorite if I do this here. The value here. That's what happened.
Oh.
This, if I add this there. Because those are the others specify. If I add that in the equation, I want to make sure it goes in there.
Let's see.
Do that.
Maybe that. No. Oh my guys.
So let me see, column. See, that's not.
Yeah, that doesn't look.
It doesn't look good, and
maybe. Well, actually, I don't like. No, maybe it's just I don't. Because when you let's see, for which flavor ice cream is maybe it's just the number that's there for the values. It's just the. I don't know.
yeah, because for the values, it's you have to put this in here, and it automatically provide you the values from the from here. It counts this. It counts the favorite. It counts this one. How many strawberry, how many I don't like, and you know, but there are others, which is not the least favorite, other favorite thing. So if you add this in here, so this is what happened.
Oh, I see.
It inserted others specify. So now let's see if we and remove the blank. Well, how do I remove the blank? See, it's just kind of over. It tallied 12, but it has this blank in here.
Yeah, what's that blank?
It's from, because as you see, it counts the blank right here. The blank right here.
Oh,
So
I see. Wait.
So doing that, it's a really the only thing I could make sense out of it is those things. Let's see if there. Values in rows. See, it doesn't even give you the let's see, column. Values in column, no. Values right there. Yeah, no. It didn't do that. And if you, because that's an extra, the other flavor. So
Yeah.
but mostly the survey end up with this too. And then you can change this with the total. It has a total. It will not total it because it's by itself. It's just 9. See the others specify.
The others.
So, and it says there, also you do not need the details of the other category. So I didn't do that one. I do the second one. It's asked for same thing, pretty much, but it asked for the store. Okay. See, it makes a mess.
Yeah. Oh wow.
It create a mess. So yeah, it won't do it.
Yeah, I don't know how to.
Because this is like 2, it has a tally in it, unlike the one with this. It's just going to be a count, but this one, I don't know. I did play around with this for a while. Allow me to read the total. Oh, this is for the second item. So, but if you, that gives you this, and then you can just select others and not to show those things. Because the other
Okay,
9, or if you show the others specify, there's 9 of it. 9. But it put blank on the strawberry. It also put blank on the chocolate because of subtotal. Let's see. Let's see this one. No, I can't remove the blank. Or maybe this one. So you don't have a thing to not count the blank.
could we? I don't. Could we use a formula in the blanks?
The pivot table.
Like, I don't know. Let's see.
And yeah, you can't use a formula on this one, I believe. Because it's automatically, that's format formula kind of thing. See, it adds up.
Mm-hmm.
Or if you put it on sum or count, not sum it, because it's not number, it's a count. See, it's counting how many, 1, 2, 3, this chocolate. So what I did, I just removed this one and leave it the way as it is, like that. Because it totals it.
Yeah, that one. I'm trying to do that one, and it's not. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'll figure it
And then
out.
if I do that like this, see, it adds another one right there, which is also already there. But if I wanted to show, the thing, it's not showing the favorites, the additional gum, like this one, pie bubble gum thing. It will not show it in here. But my problem is I have this blank. What happened there? Oh, I click on the blank, that's why. The chocolate's supposed to be right here, the number total. I played around with it. If I do this kind of format, so I just remove that one. So it did specify, but I don't know if I can, it doesn't. For the table number 3, it will work. It will work the way they told us. Hey, hello, what's wrong? So, because it is individual, way to go with it.
Which one? Number 3?
Yeah, so it comes with a tally, but it's individual name that you're transferring. And you put the value right there.
Oh, yeah, yes.
So it's individual, so you can easily move them in here. And it goes down here. And you just need to change this to remove that. Make sure there's a space and all that. I think you did that already.
Mm-hmm.
And oh, did I do that wrong? But anyways, you know what I mean.
Yes.
Right here. See? Yeah. So it has more sense to do that here because it's individual. It doesn't have it represents number right here. It counts it, but it's individual. But here it's mixed up. Same thing with this one. This one on for table 1, it counts the blank.
I wonder, yeah, that's the thing, that if it counts the blank, I wonder if there's a way to not make.
Let's check it quickly. Google search it. How can you remove blank table? I should have done that. I didn't think about it earlier. See this.
My team and I always had trouble managing our tasks until one of my teammates found Monday.com. You can see the task owner.
Hello. I'm Danny Rollins. I'm going to respond to one of my viewers who is fairly new to pivot tables. He created a pivot table and showed it in a meeting made when several of his colleagues questioned why there were empty cells. To know how to prevent empty cells from displaying in a pivot table. All right, let's create a pivot table. In the data set, we have clearly defined field headers and select a single cell for the ribbon.
But this doesn't have a blank.
Select pivot table.
No.
Let's take the default and create our pivot table worksheet. Here's our new blank worksheet of fields in our data set that we want to select for the pivot table.
Oh, let's see this one.
The field contains, by simply clicking it,
come on.
Welcome to another how-to video from Advanced Learning Inc. In this video, I'm going to address a common problem that most people who work with pivot tables might face, and that is how to remove the word blank. This was brought to my attention when I was working with a client on some pivot tables, and we were working on
That
some
one
of
has
their
a blank
data,
right there.
and the pivot tables that we created from that data had the word blank all over them. Happen if you sanitize the data and deleted certain information, or the information has not properly been entered into the, whatever the case may be, you occasionally might land up with blanks in your data set. So if you take a look at this data set on screen of candy sales, it's some dummy data about candy manufacture and sale. That two of the columns, column L and column M, that is the authorized by and the ship to location. Now, if I create a pivot table from this data, the pivot table is going to contain the word blank for every cell that contains blanks in the raw data. Now, let's scroll to the left, to the right a little bit. I have a pivot table here already created, which summarizes this data by product category. In this pivot table on screen, I have the word blank in place of a blank. So it doesn't show the blank, it shows the word blank. As well, in the location field, it says blank wherever there is missing information. So that doesn't look very nice in a report, and you might want to then replace this with something else. Now, this is not to be confused by blank values. Blank values can be handled through the pivot table, but blank labels the pivot table options, and therefore we got to address them around that you can use to deal with, and one of them involves conditional formatting and the other one involves straightforward replacing it with a space. The space method is the easier method to use, more fail-safe than the conditional formatting method. Using a space first, and it's as simple as keeping your cursor on one of the words which say blank, space bar once. And every word blank in that field will now be replaced with a single space.
Okay.
You will still have this little artifact here, which is the collapse and expand signs, which you can remove from the pivot table options. So you can suppress that display through the pivot table options. But you will also notice that the word blank in other fields will still be there. What you need to do here is to, on one of the blanks in the second field, press your spacebar again and press enter. And all the blanks in that field will disappear. So in other words, you simply, in the cache file, you simply replace the word blank with a space. And the pivot table remembers this substitution. In the sense, if I now right click and I refresh, come back, it will not replace the word blank, replace my space with the word blank. This will happen even if data changes. So if I change some data, let's go ahead and do that right now. I'm going to scroll back to my data here. I'm going to change one of the.
Hello?
Try it. So we're doing number one. Let's see. Okay. So favorite. And there. Favorite. Okay. No.
No.
He said space?
I don't remember.
He said space.
Huh. So,
Okay, I know. So favorite others. See, it doubles up. See here? Oh, sorry. And discount. Okay, so that one, we do the blank. Oh, okay. Did it? But it has this. Total, total, total. Let's see if we can do design, roll. Do not show subtotal. It's just the grand total. Oh, bummer. So let's see. Change this one. Oh. Count. And that should be percentage of grand total. It did work that way, but vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate down there. The others right there. So it did that. So see the others it names it out and it removes the blank. So let me see mine.
Did it work? It did.
Let's see. I'll a little bit adjust my table here. Ooh. That's what I want. Where's star shine? Okay, move down. Move down to give room for my, let's see. Show other specify. Seriously. So what I need is favor and there. Why not? To, hold on, still too close. Come on. Okay, move it over there. Oh, come on. Go, show. There you go. Let's restore that to the original thing. Oh, I did the wrong table. this line. Oh, no, analyze. Oh, did I do? There we go. And let's see.
Give me 1 second.
This one. Where's this one came from? But that's not on my, that's not on this. Which one? Let's compare it. Yeah, I did that there. This came from.
Oh no, I can't find my charger.
So 20, it says 2%. And my other one says 2.33. Yeah, it's okay. 2%. Yeah, that's correct. Came from. Oh, the total. Oh, design.
Wow, I'm sleepy.
I'll show subtotal. There you go. Okay, so this is subtotal. Looks.
Okay.
With others specified on the bottom. Chocolate, strawberry, vanilla. And that messed up my graph. I think I have to design a different graph. Change. No. Cancel. And oh boy. Oh, those other stuff. Okay.
Oh, that's weird.
Well, do that. I have to do the same thing with, oops, with number, two, with this one. Hey. So if I move this back up right there and work on this one. See, it's specified right here. We just need to show, do not show. Oops. Show subtotal. And remove the dot. Nice. So we can do that. We can do that. Get other. Oh, and that mess up my. Oh, not really, not bad. But why is this in here? Yep, a new thing back there. So.
Oh, it did?
Yeah, this is the only two that has the mat sign build button. List. What are those things in the bottom?
I can't see from here.
Hmm. Okay, so I'll just have to polish and work. Why is that there? But that's how it looks.
Oh, I still haven't gotten to the grabs. I'm barely making the fist.
What happened here? Okay. So we can do that or just leave it the way, or we'll see.
Oh, let's see.
So the pivot table is a little bit easier than those pulling formulas. Oh. I got that specify right there. Okay. This is by store. And this is that.
Oh, but
We should do if I can fix my graph, I think that would be worth it.
what? Why is this? Now we can't do the average. Why is that?
Which one? The bottom?
The fifth one. I'm trying to do the average, but why is that not? Oh my! What did I do?
This is my average one. Oh, we need to label the put a title on the chart too.
That it answers.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, how did you? Let me do the average. Why? Oh.
So include decimal points only if necessary. So I put that on my average. And what happened to my... So I'll fix my... What happened here? My strawberry. Oh, hello. Why did I do that? Oh, go back. Got a title. And why is it like that? More option. Oh.
What in the world? Why am I getting it?
No, didn't do a thing. I still have those problems down there.
Oh. Can you show me your average one? The fifth.
The last one right here. Oops.
It's
Sorry.
It's showing me a div.
Here, if you go on here, hold on. Right here, select average.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing, and it's showing me a div. I don't know, value.
Which one? Can you show it?
Let's see.
Oh, you get error, huh?
So I have average chocolate. I don't know why it's showing.
So what I got is, hold on. What I got here, this is my label and all that. They're all on the side, not on the top. And then the gender is on the top.
Mm-hmm.
And so the values row. And then on here, then you can select average, not right down below. So.
Okay, let me see what I.
Just send a message quickly. Oops, no. So we're
What in the.
oops. You got it?
No, it's not. It's still showing me that error. I'm just gonna delete and do a new one. I don't know why it's.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's so weird.
Because see how I put it in here.
Yeah,
Just
that's
that.
what I have.
Uh-huh. Did you select the data from um
I did the whole. I just did one main one and I copied.
yeah, you
From there
copied
and
it,
then.
and then the chocolate, vanilla. Which one did I put in here anyway?
I don't know.
They asked for the this one, this two. Say this is the one that you will put in here, and then this one I just changed the field, remove the first part,
Mm-hmm.
and then that is from this one to the rank, and then I use the average. So are you starting with your project yet?
Yes and no. So I started getting all the I got all the information for like from my company, like
Uh-huh.
all the stuff that we use, and I put it in an Excel spreadsheet, but I haven't actually done anything intricate. I've just put the name of the stuff that we have.
At least you have the thing available. I have to input everything because my husband asked me to do kind of thing for his children, the improvement and all that kind of thing. But in order for me to create a dashboard for him or a summary, by selecting student's name and all that kind of thing, the performance and what type of, is that a reading level or in math or whatever, I have to create that information, that I have to input the data.
Oh, okay.
I might be doing that this Thanksgiving weekend. So, or this weekend. So, yeah. So, anyways.
Oh wait, I think I know what I did. For the average.
Uh-huh.
I was looking at the I didn't look at the rank. I just grabbed in the values, I just added
Uh-huh.
the rank.
Okay.
I think
Why I know I put some title on this chart. Wait, disappear. I did the pie chart. I don't know. Maybe I'll change it to a different one.
Yeah. I don't this one's
Maybe
a fun one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep working on this. I'm so tired. I worked 12 hours yesterday because we had like investor was coming in, so we had to do bank reconciliations, and it was the worst. I'm so tired.
Oh, Scott said I was helping a family move. I'm just now seeing this.
Oh, okay. Well,
can watch the
Right. I'm submit that. I'm just like wondering about Doyle. Like he was so like always there.
I don't know what happened to him. And I
Right?
feel
So
I feel
responsive.
funny when he suddenly disappeared last week.
Right? And he didn't
Yeah.
even say like he's like, hey guys, sorry.
Yeah, so anyway, so you're good, so I can stop sharing now, recording.
Yeah.
Uh,
No.